Hey everybody, let's make some French onion soup. Real quick and easy. Let's go. Step 1, cut up an onion. 2, about 1 tablespoon of butter. Step 3, on medium heat, add the onions. Now that these have caramelized a little bit, and look, see this stuff at the bottom? That's bonus flavor. Don't let that stuff go. That is concentrated flavor. It is, like I said, it's bonus. Don't let that stuff go. It's beautiful. But next step, 2 packs. In this case, I do use the name brand. Use a brand that you like, doesn't matter. 2 packs. Turn it up on high and add water. The amount of water you add doesn't really matter. Just kind of keep in mind that you're adding for the amount of packets you put. If you use more packets, use a bigger pan, put more water. This will make 2 packets, will make a pretty decent sized pan. Then you want to let it cook down for 45 minutes or so. Bring it to a slow boil and let it just simmer down and let those flavors have a chance to get acquainted with each other. Bring it to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer. What you want to do when you're cooking, especially when you have liquid stuff like this, you want to taste it. Don't fail to taste it, because you'll know early on if you need to do something to it. So give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's delicious. That tastes great. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and we'll go to the next step. So this is one of those things that's made to be used with day-old bread or 2-day-old bread. Our neighbor made some bread and brought it to us, and misunderstood, being the way she is, she said, "Look, honey, Lil made us some day-old bread." But that's kind of what you want to use on something like this. Something that's a little crusty. It's a little bit overripe, I guess you would say. So you want to put some soup. Make sure you get plenty onions in there. And then you want to take a fresh piece of day-old bread or something to that effect. You can use any bread. If you just have white bread, it'll work in a pinch.
Garlic bread's good too.
Garlic bread works. And then a piece of, this is baby Swiss.
That's for me?
This is for you. And ordinarily, I do this right before I make it. Then what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll put this in the toaster oven for just a few seconds or a few minutes and let the top get melted. And I'll show you what that looks like. Meanwhile, I've made one to take to work. And ordinarily, you wouldn't go ahead and put the bread in it right this early. But to show you guys how I'm doing it, and since I'm taking this to work, I put it in, and I have went ahead and put the cheese on there. And then when I microwave this at work tomorrow, it'll be nice and gooey. So let's see what this real one looks like. And there you have it. It's been in the toaster oven for just about 3, 4, 5 minutes on toast. And that gets the cheese all melty and gooey. Let's give it a try. Should be yummy. Look how high that is. Very good. So simple, very tasty, easy, cheap, so tasty. Do yourself a favor, make yourself a little bit of this. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We sure do appreciate each and every one of our subscribers. Thank you.